So in this box is what I think is the best bag for the M4 iPad Pro, specifically the 11-inch model. Inside is the WaterField Shinjuku messenger bag. I don't know why I froze there, but let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm super excited. We're gonna do it right here, right now. So I've been looking for a bag for the iPad Pro since I upgraded, and I'm very picky with bags. I've looked everywhere, Amazon, different stores, literally for a while. And I know I have different bags already, specifically for the 14-inch MacBook Pro, but I wanted something smaller, so a little bit bigger than like a day pack or something like this. I wanted something a little bit bigger than like a fanny pack or a hip pack that would hold my iPad along with like a small camera, like a point and shoot, but not something so big like a bigger, larger messenger bag or a backpack. So this is like one of those buys that I think is worth the investment, but technically not really needed. And this is it. Like, I got the, I believe it's the X-Pack Canvas Black. There are 3 different sizes to the Shinjuku messenger bag and 4 different colors. I chose black because I always go with black. I really love black. I was so close to getting the wax canvas brown. I was so close, but I ended up getting the black. I'm not sure how the X-Pack is gonna be compared to the traditional wax canvas, but I guess we'll see. Paperwork, thank you card, some a receipt or something. This is it. Ooh. Front is leather, and then this is like X-Pack wax canvas. Feels very interesting. I don't know how to explain it, but I personally think that I would like the brown wax canvas a lot more, but you know, I'll take this. It looks like you got magnetic flap. This is gonna be an unboxing and first impressions, by the way, if you want me to make a full review of this bag, which I probably might do anyways. Go ahead and leave a like and a comment. Got a zipper, so it's you know, a brighter color so that it's easier to find things inside. The strap is hidden inside. Feels like a seatbelt, pretty durable. I love the quality of WaterField Designs or SF bags. They're so good. You got like a little front pocket here that has a couple of additional organization pockets, as well as this little keychain clip. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Then you have the main compartment, which is kind of hard to show on camera, but I'll put some B-roll up for you. You got like a little water bottle pouch area that is collapsible and barely takes up any space, which is very smart, but it keeps your water bottle in place so that it doesn't, you know, potentially spill. And then you got your iPad slot, which is padded and very soft on one side. Here is my 11-inch M4 iPad Pro. What I have on it is the Pitaka Mag Easy Case 2, I believe, and it is compatible with the Magic Keyboard. I'm gonna see how it fits in first. Fits in pretty snugly. Not really much play, but the real question is, will it fit the iPad with the Magic Keyboard. So as you can see, it fits with the Mag Easy case. It does add a little bit of thickness, but you get used to it. Boom. It fits. Pretty snug. It is definitely noticeable that it takes up a little bit more space in the bag, but you know, it is what it is. That's how it goes. Dude, I love this thing. Like, it's pretty difficult to get darker colored items properly exposed, so like things that are black, but I just love them so much. It's, oh my goodness, can't wait to wear this thing. On the back you do have like a little handle, leather, and then that's pretty much it for the bag, to be honest. What I was thinking of doing was just have this be my sort of vlogging bag. So I have the G7X Mark II, which I am bringing out of retirement. I absolutely love this camera for vlogging and for taking photos, specifically with the flash. It's such a vibe. It gives that sort of nostalgic feeling, and this camera takes photos that are pretty similar to film. You can get the film look pretty easy, and for, you know, a camera that's this size, I really love the image quality, and for it being 8 years old, it's still very usable in 2024. The only thing is that they're pretty hard to come by nowadays. These things are kind of reselling for like $1,000, which is kind of insane. But anyways, I wanted to put this in the bag, so it fits in there pretty snugly, pretty nice. And then I want to put like a small tripod. I'm using the PGY Tech Mantis Pod Pro to film this video, but that's the tripod that I would like to put inside this bag. And I think that would be pretty much it. Like, I would have that. I would have everything I need to create vlogs. So I've been trying to use the iPad Pro for editing, like, you know, the more basic things like vlogs where I don't really need to do any sort of heavy color grading or color correction, and the iPad screen is amazing. Anyways, it's probably the best display that I have at the moment besides my MacBook display, and I honestly can't wait. I think this is a worthy investment. It is. If you haven't checked the price already, it's $230 for the compact size, which is this size right here. There isn't any videos on YouTube, or there aren't many. I think I've only seen like 1 or 2 for the Shinjuku bag, and not any in the back, in the black. So I'm gonna try to make some videos on this thing, and hopefully I do it justice, because I think it's worth it. I can't really find any other bag like this, specifically like a messenger bag, and then it just looks so good. I think it's a worthy investment. I probably will take this with me whenever I travel. I'll let you know. I'll use it. I'll let you know how it goes, if I would still recommend it after a certain period of time or not. Thanks for listening.